So all you have to do mainly is just heat up the Vaseline so it can be easier to mix up. That's all I did there. And I just put it in a boiling pot of water. Just let it sit there for a moment until it gets a little bit more liquefied, not all the way. And then I take 2 vitamin E capsules, 400 IU, and of course with a half tablespoon of the Vaseline, and just mix it. And there you have the greatest, simplest little mix ever. Sleep in this, yes, overnight, sleep in it, and wake up. You can make a bigger batch than this, of course, just double, triple, quadruple the ingredients. You can store it right in your bathroom. It's no problem with that, and you will see that you will have more supple skin, youthful looking skin, glowing skin, and you will be definitely happy about the results. Very simple, very easy. Good morning, beautiful babes. It's your girl, Sweet Angel. How you be? How you doing? What's up? Y'all, yes, I have some eye patches on this morning, and y'all know about these. This is the Melantia 6-in-1 eye patches, and I still love those. Just for depuffing my eyes. I do. So y'all know when I get up in the morning after I'm grinding until probably 3, 4 a.m. in the morning. Yes, I am. And so that's why, my eyes, they're puffy, they're strained, they're, just always busy on the computer. So I love that. But I wanted to do a follow-up video this morning. That formula, wonderful treatment, Vaseline and vitamin E, but my footage got lost on how I mixed it up, and I know I had questions regarding that, and I wanted to share this video with y'all to let you know how to do that and what the skin be looking like in the morning, just popping. Okay, now I have gone ahead and washed my face, cleansed my face this morning, but I did reapply some, but I went ahead and mixed up a little bit more of it just to show y'all how I did that. So I wanted to do this follow-up video so that y'all will see this process, okay? And y'all, you're gonna see a great difference in those fine lines, and I love that. I love that my forehead looks like, very youthful. This will do it. It definitely will. You try to tiptoe around some things, but honey, this is great. You're gonna love it. Absolutely, you will. I hope y'all are doing great this morning. I think this will start your day off right because, hey, it's something for you. And tonight, mix it up. Even if you have the liquid of vitamin E, you can use that as well. No problems. Just use some vitamin E. If you have some grapeseed oil, you can use that. It's high in vitamin E as well. So either one is just great. You'll still have something with vitamin E in it. Perfect. Y'all, that's it. You don't have to have the one that specifically says vitamin E, as long as you have an oil that has high vitamin E content in it. So that's perfect. But anyway, I'm getting my day started, and I wanted to share this with y'all, and I hope you appreciate that. So this is a dual take on Beauty by Sweet Angel and Life with Sweet Angel. So if you see it, I just wanted to do that because I want to say hey to y'all, and I wanted to get my day started with y'all, and I also wanted to share that tidbit as well. So y'all take care, and I will see you on the next video. Okay? Mwah. Love y'all. Bye.